the ground out here! Oh, God! Marcus, look what you've done! Yes!
Be careful, bud.
Oh, we leading there. We leading, Lordy, we leading. Oh, Lordy, we leading. Oh, Lordy, we bumped too. Dear Lordy.
So how are you folks doing today?
Oh, crap. Stop.
I just lost my hair tie.
The number one rule is to never tell your brother that he cannot drive. Lord, what have we done?
Whoa.
You drifting, boy? You drifting? Oh, Lord, no! She just might be wondering, what is going on? What have they done to the... What are they doing? I can't even talk straight. Oh, hi, Mr. Woody. Hi, Woody. Hi, Woody, what's up? Hey, I have a little beak.
Be careful of that. Don't get stabbed.
I won't. It's a nuke.
What was that?
What was that? Oh, what?
Alright, Bob. Watch out for the dogs next door when you go back.
The dogs are out. Be careful. Probably be in the front more, or probably just be. Okay. Where'd she go? She's a magician. Where'd she go? They're just staring at us like, what are they doing? Here, feet here. Your feet here. It feels weird. Here, take your shoes off.
Gosh. It hurts.
No, if you do this, it doesn't.
Let's go around this way.
Okay, be careful. Marcus, probably not go here. Just go this way right now. Probably there. Because you don't want to go there in case the dogs are there. Yeah! Yes! Hey! Oh, God, no!
This thing's crazy.
Lordy, what have we done? No, don't you dare! We're not doing this again! No! Oh, God, no! We're drifting! She's probably on the phone with Mom and Dad, and she said, well, Mama, what are our kids doing?
Let me make sure this thing isn't. It feels weird.
Okay. Is it good? All I can see is your butt and your underwear.
Did you record it on? Yeah. Just
I might.
Just be a little easier, Bob.
Do a little easier.
Cruising on a
Okay. No, Lordy, no. Oh, no, not again. The jar. and JP's cousins were the people coming out of the tiny car. No, not the tiny car, the tiny lawnmower. And so, basically, that's how we ended up here. Because, what are you looking at, boy? What are you looking at, huh? At me.
Making sure my passengers are alright.
You're the one who brought us here. What is the deal with cheese whiz?
What?
I don't know. Oh, my back. It's gonna turn into an antique back.
Scoliosis.
No, we're gonna have scoliosis after we're done with this fair ride. We're not getting down and dirty in the mud again. No.
I don't know how long I'm supposed to be recording this.
As long as people like it, and also Mom knows that we have scoliosis now. Drive safe, kids. Drive safe. This is where the woman who wanted to take pictures. Now she's gone. She's probably with her dogs and culling them. Oh, the woman's back! The woman's back! Oh, she's back! Oh, she laughed because we've been drifting sweet. We have a family! Don't judge! Why does this look like, what is it? Excuse me, we're trying to talk here! This is professional business! Trying to do this. Oh, is that a cat? Is that a cat? Looks like Sherlock Holmes! My back and shoulders! I bet we get paid for these shoes making me have a chin here. We can see the woman who's on the phone. Hi! Hi, girl! Bye, girl! Adios!
Living that country feeling.
Alright! We're turning off Pacey and gonna kick that. I don't know. This is kind of like the pumpkin patch all over again. Yeah, it's the pumpkin patch all over again. Ooh, there's a majestic feather. And it's instinct.
I can't see anything. The dirt's coming. The dirt's coming. The dirt's coming. I know it.
I knew it! Oh! Hey, it's going on your side! Oh no, my shoulders! Ah! What are you doing with the camera? It's a documentary! That's how you get your job left, bro! we stop the recording? Okay, so